Did you know that the Japanese 1 yen coin can actually float on water? Yeah, I know, it sounds impossible, right? After all, coins are made of metal. They're supposed to sink, not float. But the 1 yen is a little different, and today I'm going to tell you why. First, a bit of background. The 1 yen coin is the smallest denomination in Japan. It's made entirely of aluminum, which already makes it much lighter than most coins you've probably handled. To give you an idea, each 1 yen coin weighs just 1 gram. It's so light that if you drop it, you might not even hear it hit the ground. But here's where it gets really interesting. Because it's so light, and because of its shape and smooth surface, the 1 yen coin can actually sit on top of water without sinking. Now, the coin isn't magically defying gravity. What's really at play here is something called surface tension. Surface tension is that invisible skin on water's surface, caused by water molecules sticking together. That's why you might see tiny insects walking across a pond or water droplets forming beads on a leaf. The 1 yen coin is just light enough that, if you place it carefully, the surface tension can support its weight. Now, you can't just toss the coin into a glass and expect it to float. You have to be gentle. Usually, people use a piece of tissue or even a fork to help lower the coin onto the water's surface. Once it's there, and if you've got a steady hand, the coin will just sit, floating, almost like it's magic. But as soon as you poke it, or add a little soap to the water, the surface tension breaks and the coin sinks instantly. It's a great little demonstration, kind of a science trick, but also a reminder of how cool everyday physics can be. And honestly, next time you're in Japan, try it out. Grab a 1 yen coin, fill a glass with water, and see if you can make it float. It's a fun party trick, and a great way to turn a simple coin into a quick physics lesson. So, to recap, the Japanese 1 yen coin floats not because it's magic, but because it's light enough for water's surface tension to support it. It's a simple, everyday example of science hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this little fact, give it a try yourself, or share it with someone who loves weird science trivia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.